batteries all right? Yes?
Yes. Alright. Okay, it's 5:30, Saturday, July 5th, 2003. Looks like we got some severe storms coming in. They don't look too impressive on the radar, but we just got a severe thunderstorm warning. Especially mentioning high winds, so that could be Doppler indicated. So assuming they continue, it could get very windy. But there it is. My lord, it approaches. Here's the latest radar. So the really coolness, this was a more intense band before, but I mean even the way it is now, it's not looking that bad. Getting windy.
Down right. We on wet. Wow.
Damn.
Flag. There's a flag. There's some. We're in trouble. Wow.
Oh.
I'm cool.
Man,
Cool enough. I'm cool enough. It's coming in like a storm.
Why do you take that?
Yeah, it is.
Tornado.
Oh, right, tell her. High pressure, low pressure coming in, right? I'm cold now.
I still don't know.
Easy. Shut up.
Spinning all these years. Is he not flying wide, huh? Huh?
These are the latest METARs. 2139Z, wind 240 degrees, that's west-southwest. At 19 knots, that's about 22 miles per hour, gusting to 31 knots, that's 36 miles per hour. Visibility is 1.5 miles. Heavy thunderstorm rain. Ceiling few at 1100, scattered at 5000. Of course, ASOS is stupid, so I can't figure out that there's overcast. 26C temperature, 22C dew point, pressure is 2988 inches. Remark: it's an ASOS with a precipitation discriminator, of course. Peak wind was 240 at 31 knots at 2133. Lightning distant to the west. Thunderstorm began 39, rain began 35. Pressure rising rapidly. Precipitation 0.11 inches. Alright, second specie at 2143Z, that's 5:43 p.m. Wind now 250, so that's still west-southwest. At 12 knots, gusting to 29 knots, so less. That's about 14 miles per hour, gusting to 33 miles per hour. Visibility is 3/4 mile. Heavy thunderstorm rain and mist. Scattered at 900 feet, broken at 5,000 feet. So ASOS is starting to figure out that it's cloudy. Ceiling is obviously 5,000 feet. Let's see, temperature down to 23C, dew point still 22C, which is actually what it's been all day. So it's probably down to about 70, 75, somewhere between 70 and 75 degrees. I'll check another site in a minute. Pressure is still 2988. Remark: ASOS precip discriminator. Peak wind was the same as the last one. Rain began and thunderstorm began at the same time. Precipitation now 0.24 inches. Quite a lot of rain out of this little storm. Alright, let's see. I guess I'll go to Mount Holly now. Here's our current display from Mount Holly, showing the red for severe thunderstorm warnings. In Mercer, Burlington, Camden, and Bucks counties. Alright, you can see severe thunderstorm warning. The text of the severe thunderstorm warning: National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey. Now let's start at the beginning. NJC 021-052200. Bulletin EAS activation requested. Severe thunderstorm warning. National Weather Service, Mount Holly, New Jersey. 5:17 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Saturday, July 5th, 2003. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Mercer County and central New Jersey until 6 p.m. EDT. At 5:15 p.m. EDT, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe winds in southeastern Pennsylvania moving east at 35 miles per hour. Some locations near the path of these winds include Ewing, Lawrenceville, Christopher, Hamilton Square, Princeton, Trenton, and Whitehorse. Damaging winds in excess of 55 miles per hour are expected from this line. Small hail is also possible. For the latest storm information, please tune to NOAA Weather Radio, your local radio or television stations, or your cable television outlet. That one, 4031 7458, 4024 7450, 4016 7472, 4028 7488, 4037 7467. And the forecast for tonight was excessive heat warning for urbanized areas through Sunday. Sunday afternoon, heat indices around 100. Tonight, chance of thunderstorms this evening, otherwise partly cloudy, lows in the mid-70s. West winds around 10 miles per hour, chance of rain 40%. Well, the ASOS reported about 3/10 of an inch of rain. That's the result in the Kirk from 3/10 of an inch of rain in a half an hour. And that's the result in the yard. A whole lot of puddles everywhere. Well, at least on that side. Water's still dripping off the roof. These guys kind of got brought down. At least it finally rained. I don't have to worry about watering the pots. 2/10 of an inch of rain, the way that came down, that's more than enough. Threw that branch down, that the one that almost fell on me right at the beginning. I already threw that down to the creek. Yeah, and grass might almost grow here one day. Stop living in the past. I hope it rains some more. It's the first rain we had in about 2 weeks. Yeah, just about 2 weeks. And even after all the rain we had in June, all 9 inches worth, just 2 weeks without rain and these guys are yellowing, which is just sick. What you gonna do?
The forecast for your area. Forecast. Expect a chance of thunderstorms Monday through Wednesday.
Especially where you see the red shades, that's a probable spot for it. Isolated severe weather possible in the Carolinas, for example. But a lot of severe weather could be kicking up across the plains here a little bit longer. Also parts of Indiana and Ohio, including the city of Indianapolis. Now, these are spots that could be getting stormy and maybe staying that way for a while. Big storms brewing across the plains. I mentioned in toward Indianapolis. Still a lot of gusty winds, big potent cell kind of pushing this way, big complex kind of moving in. Could really cause some concern here, say Carmel and northward through northern parts of Indianapolis. Maybe very stormy right now and built to stay that way a little bit longer. Also for the Midwest, we have our concern of flooding and another spot in toward Philadelphia. A big line of storms went through, so it could be producing a lot of gusty wind, especially toward the water here in the next half hour or so. More details on the active weather next.
When the weather is really nice, you just want to spend a lot of time outdoors. Well, that time can be a lot more comfortable and enjoyable with a patio. Now, that may mean to some folks that you have to hire